Hi everybody, this is Ryan again, and I'm back for another video. This time it's an extension to the VLOOKUP. Sometimes when you use functions or formulas in Excel or Google spreadsheets, you get errors. If you go back to the spreadsheet we've just been working on, you're going to see here that we have an error right here. We have this dollar sign, we have this number sign, and A. And what that means is the VLOOKUP to return an error. It can't find the value. And typically that happens when a student doesn't take a test or they're not in the database that you're looking up. So we want to be able to fix or resolve that error. And the best way to do that is to use an IFERROR function. And the way that works is like this. Beginning of your formula, we're going to add IFERROR right to the front of it. Then we're going to say if there's no error, it's going to run the VLOOKUP just like normal. But if there's an error, we're going to put something else in there besides the error code, that number sign not available. We're going to, in this case, we're going to put no score. And notice I didn't change the first value because it has a number. There's no error. But we're going to fill this down, and we're going to remove that error. Now if we go back to the top, you're going to notice then instead of having the not available or the error, we have no score. So that's one option. So you can put pretty much anything you want to in there, and you can actually use IFERROR function on any function that you're using. You could use it on the if then if you wanted to. For getting an error, you can use if then, you can use it on that one. So let's fix this one over here. This time instead of putting not available, I'm going to just put a blank. So the same exact thing, if error. And then this time I'm going to just do double quotation marks. And that'll just put a, instead of having the error, we'll just have a blank. Notice how there's no score there at all. So you can do that, or you can do no score. It's really up to you on what you want to do. So hope this helps you. I'll add a couple of these formulas to the sheet. Like I'll come here and I'll add this formula in here so you can kind of see what it would look like to have that error in there. We'll put it right in so you can look at that one. So we have this example. There's one, and then we have another one here. We have this one right here of the blank. So it's really up to you on how you want to display that data. I hope this helps.